What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How, and guys, today I'll be showing you how to read Snapchat messages without opening them in 2019. This is the part that you need to know in order to read someone's message on Snapchat without them knowing. And this will work either on your iPhone or your Android. It does not matter. But what I have with me today is on my right, I have my Android, and on my left, I have my iPhone. And so let's say, for instance, I'm going to send a message. I'm gonna act like I'm the sender. So let's go ahead and find my name on here. Well, not my actual name, but my random name. And just type in something random, and I'm just going to send it. And you see it just sent. And now you see it on my iPhone right now. Look. It's right there. So what you can do, let's put this phone down right now. What you can do, hit one finger and you can just start to slide it, but make sure you do not open it all the way. And once it get about right there, what you can do then is you can get your thumb, for instance, and you can hold it. You can let go of the right hand and you can hold it. Hold on. It may take you a couple of times to do it, but just like that, you should get it right there. And you can continue to slide it. Slide it, slide it, slide it. Slide it, slide it, slide it. And there you see it right now. You see that? And then once you're done looking at it, you can just slide it back just like that. And you see that message is still saying that it's not open. And if you look over to my Android, hold on. Shoot you out the way. You can look over my Android. That's the same thing that I sent to it, and it still says deliver on my Android. Alright, so this is the second method you can do in order to read someone's message on Snapchat without them knowing. And with this method, you can actually open the message, and they still won't know. So what you need to do is, let's say for instance, someone sends you a message, right? And that's the same message from the last method. But when someone sends you a message, what you can do is you can go ahead and put your phone in airplane mode. Hold on. Put your phone in airplane mode and make sure you turn the Wi-Fi off. And look. And now you can click on that message that they sent you. And if you look over here, you see that it still says delivered. And once you do that, you can just slide that and you can actually go to your home menu, right? Go to your home menu and close this out right here. Close that out. And now what you can do is you can turn your Wi-Fi back on. You can turn your Wi-Fi back on. And if you look over to my Android, you will still see that the message still says delivered, and that like as if no one ever opened the message. So that's how you open a message on Snapchat without the sender knowing it. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell to get notified for every video on my channel. And we'll be back to show you how.